Tired of your iPhone hijacking your Bluetooth connection and blasting music when you least expect it? Let's fix that. First, we need to dive into the Shortcuts app. If you can't find it on your home screen, swipe down and use the search bar to type Shortcuts. It has a colorful square icon with overlapping shapes. Open the Shortcuts app and tap on the Automation tab at the bottom center of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and then select Create Personal Automation at the bottom of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. This will trigger our automation when your iPhone connects to a specific Bluetooth device. Tap Choose and select the specific Bluetooth device that's causing the unwanted music playback. This could be your car stereo, headphones, or any other Bluetooth device. Tap Done once you've selected it, then Ensure is Connected is selected and tap Next. Here's where we tell your iPhone what not to do. Tap Add Action. In the search bar at the bottom, type Playback. Look for the action called Control Playback with a play, pause icon. Tap it. By default, it might say play. Tap on play and select pause from the options. This ensures that when your iPhone connects to the selected Bluetooth device, it will pause any existing playback, effectively stopping the autoplay. Tap Next. Finally, on the summary screen, toggle off Ask before running. This is important so the automation runs automatically without requiring your confirmation every time. Tap Don't Ask to confirm. Double check everything is set correctly. Connecting to your chosen Bluetooth device will trigger the pause command, then tap Done in the top right corner. Now your music won't unexpectedly blast through your speakers or headphones again.